Let us learn financial and non-financial incentives. Incentives increases workers' enthusiasm. So it helps the employees to achieve the objective. There are two types of incentives. First, let us learn the financial incentives. Share in profit, co-partnership, promotion, bonus, commission, prize, suggestion and advice. Financial incentives. Business is done with an objective. Management is done on human beings. And human is a social animal. So the best way to motivate a worker is by giving incentives. Management should opt for these types of incentives. First is profit sharing. Surplus profit of the business is the result of joint effort of owners and workers. So without the help of worker, it is not possible. Second is co-partnership. Some employees are loyal and dedicated towards their work. To motivate them, they are taken in management. They are considered as partners and they are given certain share in the profit. Third is promotion. The process of shifting a worker to a higher position from the existing position in the same company is called promotion. The worker will get additional money as per his post. This helps in boosting the efficiency of staff. Fourth is bonus. Profit is a result of workers' efforts. As per the law, certain part of profit is to be given to the workers at the end of the year. So like Diwali or New Year, at a specific time, the company gives as a bonus. Fifth is commission. This is the best way of increasing the productivity of the employees. Any employee fulfill the targets will be given certain additional amount. This is decided on the basis of certain pre-decided percentage. Sale commission is the best example. Salesmen are given certain percent on the sales made by him over and above the target. Next is prizes. It is a method of honoring the respective and deserving workers. At annual day function or any of the function, the employees are rewarded. They are given gifts, token of appreciation, certificates, coupons of purchases, etc. This is given in public, which increase the morale of the employees. Seventh is suggestion and advices. In production activity, workers are constantly engaged. They are the one who really or actually put production into practice. If any such suggestions are effective, which is given by worker, the worker may be given financial rewards. This motivates other workers also to come forward with an effective suggestion or advice in favor of the business. Non-financial incentives. Incentives which are not based on money, not paid in the form of money. First is security of employment. For an employee, only salary is not important, but security of the job is also important. So here the business gives them an assurance that their job will be secured. Second is appreciation of work and rewards. Employees who surpasses production targets decided by the business unit within the time, economically and efficiently, they are honored publicly. As we said in the financial incentives, they will be given some cash award or some prize. Here, publicly, they will be praised for their work. So there is also a motivation. Assignment of responsibility. To encourage the employees, officer assigns special responsibility of giving training and direction to subordinates or others. Fourth, advisor. When a worker has been efficient for a long time, his advice is sought in policy formulation to get advantage of his experience. So here the worker feels an important person. Welfare activity and amenities. Over and above wages, medical service, canteen facility, library, leave with pay and all these facilities, many more such welfare facilities are given to employees. Therefore, employees work with perseverance, enthusiasm and efficiency. 6. Other incentives. Many other incentives are also given, like housing facility, life insurance, free education to children, books, transportation facilities, that is to the children, like pick up and drop, even for the student as well as for the employees from place to work, etc.